Do you ever feel like your brain is in a fog? Like you can't focus or remember things as well as you used to? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people experience brain fog on a regular basis. But there is good news. You can do many things to support your brain health, including eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. But did you know that drinking certain beverages can also help? That's right. Many drinks contain compounds that are beneficial for brain health. These compounds can help to improve memory, focus, cognitive function, and even protect your brain from age-related decline. Before we jump into the main content, let's take a moment to understand why brain health is so important. Our brain is like the control center of our body, responsible for everything we do from thinking and learning to remembering and creating. It's no wonder we want to keep it in tip-top shape, right? In this video, we'll share 8 of the best drinks for brain health and give you tips on how to incorporate them into your diet, so you can start feeling your best again. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first brain-boosting drink is none other than green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins, which can help protect your brain cells from oxidative stress. But that's not all, it also contains just the right amount of caffeine. Unlike the jitters you might get from a strong coffee, the caffeine in green tea provides a gentle, sustained alertness without the crash. So, how does this translate to your day-to-day life? Well, those antioxidants and caffeine work together to improve your brain's cognitive functions. They enhance your alertness, concentration, and even your memory. Sipping on green tea can help you maintain that mental edge throughout the day. Plus, it's a healthier alternative to sugary energy drinks. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is easier than you think. You can start your morning with a cup of green tea instead of your usual coffee, or have it as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Feel free to add a slice of lemon or a dash of honey for some extra flavor. Just remember not to overdo it, as moderation is key with caffeine. So, go ahead, make green tea your brain's new best friend. Next, we have the most essential drink for our brain health: water. You might think it's too ordinary to make a difference, but staying hydrated is absolutely crucial for optimal brain function. You see, our brain is about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can lead to cognitive deficits. It can impair your concentration, memory, and decision-making abilities. So, remember, a well-hydrated brain is a sharp brain. Now, you might be wondering how much water you should be drinking to keep your brain in tip-top shape. Well, the rule of thumb is to aim for around 8 to 10 glasses, or about 2 to 2.5 liters of water a day. But remember, this can vary depending on factors like your age, activity level, and climate. So, listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Water does more than just quench your thirst, it plays a vital role in cognitive function. It helps transport nutrients and oxygen to brain cells, flushes out toxins, and even maintains the electrical properties of neurons. When you're well hydrated, your brain can process information faster, and you'll feel more alert and focused. So, don't underestimate the power of this simple yet effective drink. Our next brain-boosting drink is a delicious blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are like tiny powerhouses for your brain. They're rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. These little blue gems also help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which can majorly contribute to age-related cognitive decline. Here's a quick and easy recipe to whip up your own brain-boosting blueberry smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of frozen blueberries, half a banana, a cup of Greek yogurt, a splash of almond milk, and a teaspoon of honey for some sweetness. Blend it all together until smooth, and you've got yourself a tasty brain-enhancing treat. Now, if you want to supercharge your blueberry smoothie, consider adding ingredients like chia seeds for their omega-3 fatty acids or a handful of spinach for extra nutrients. The possibilities are endless, but the key is to keep it colorful and nutrient-rich for maximum brain benefits. Moving on to our next brain-boosting beverage, the turmeric latte. Turmeric is a spice that's been cherished for centuries, not just for its vibrant color but also for its incredible health benefits. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation in the brain is often linked to cognitive decline, so by reducing inflammation, turmeric can help protect and support your memory and cognitive function. Here's a recipe for a warming and nutritious turmeric latte. Start with a cup of your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based. Add a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, to enhance curcumin absorption, a dash of cinnamon, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Heat it gently, whisk it well, and you've got yourself a soothing and brain-boosting drink. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties benefit not only your body but your brain as well. By reducing inflammation in the brain, turmeric can protect against neurodegenerative diseases and support memory and cognitive function. So, sipping on a warm and comforting turmeric latte can be a delicious way to boost your brain health. Let's turn our attention to beet juice, a vibrant and surprisingly potent brain-boosting elixir. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it widens blood vessels, including those in the brain. This increased blood flow can enhance oxygen delivery to brain cells and improve overall brain function. Drinking beet juice can literally get the blood pumping to your brain. When your brain receives more oxygen and nutrients, it can work more efficiently. This improved blood flow has been associated with better cognitive performance, making beet juice a fantastic choice for boosting your brain. Incorporating beet juice into your diet is easier than you might think. You can enjoy it as a standalone drink, or get creative by adding it to your smoothies or even salad dressings for a zesty kick. Just be cautious with the staining potential, it can leave quite the mark. A little red on your lips is a small price to pay for a sharper, more focused mind. Coconut water, often called nature's sports drink, is up next. It's a tropical delight that's chock full of electrolytes, like potassium and magnesium. These electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining the body's fluid balance, ensuring you stay hydrated. And when you're well hydrated, your brain functions at its best, helping with concentration and clear thinking. Potassium, found abundantly in coconut water, is not just important for your muscles, it also plays a role in brain function. It helps regulate the electrical activity in your brain cells, allowing for efficient communication between neurons. So, a sip of coconut water can help keep your cognitive gears turning smoothly. Now, let's get creative with coconut water. Besides drinking it straight from the coconut or a carton, you can use it as a base for smoothies, mix it into your morning oatmeal, or even freeze it into ice cubes for a refreshing twist in your beverages. Coconut water can be a versatile and hydrating addition to your daily routine. Our next brain-boosting drink is coffee, the beloved morning ritual for many of us. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can increase alertness and improve concentration. It works by blocking the neurotransmitter adenosine, which promotes sleepiness and fatigue. So, that cup of joe can give you that much-needed mental kickstart in the morning. But, as with many things in life, moderation is key. While coffee has its benefits, excessive consumption can lead to jitteriness, insomnia, and increased heart rate. It's also important to note that caffeine affects people differently, so finding your ideal intake level is essential. To strike the right balance, aim for about 1 to 3 cups of coffee per day, depending on your tolerance. You can also try swapping out one of those cups for decaffeinated coffee or herbal tea to reduce your overall caffeine intake. And remember, staying hydrated throughout the day is essential to counterbalance the diuretic effects of coffee. Last but certainly not least, we have herbal teas, a treasure trove of brain-boosting goodness. There are several herbal teas that have unique benefits for brain health, like ginkgo biloba, rosemary, and sage. Each of these has its own special way of supporting your cognitive prowess. For example, ginkgo biloba is renowned for improving blood circulation to the brain, potentially enhancing memory and cognitive function. Rosemary and sage are both packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may protect your brain cells from damage and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. So, whether you prefer the refreshing taste of rosemary or the earthy aroma of sage, there's an herbal tea to suit your palate and boost your brain. Incorporating these herbal teas into your daily routine is a breeze. You can enjoy them hot or cold, and many brands offer convenient tea bags or loose leaf options. Experiment with different flavors and find the ones most resonating with you. Just a few sips a day can go a long way in supporting your brain health. And there you have it. Dear viewers, these are the top 8 drinks to support brain health. But remember, no single drink can work miracles on its own. To truly support your brain health, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle. Get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and challenge your mind with new experiences. And don't forget to nourish your brain with a variety of nutrient-rich foods. These drinks are just one piece of the puzzle. I encourage you to try incorporating these brain-boosting drinks into your daily routine. If you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you, and your engagement helps us keep creating content that matters. Until next time, take care and stay curious.